Today's episode is brought to you by Dossier, and for the past year or more, I've been telling you all the time, it feels like, how much I love their fragrances, but this month, I've got something new to show you, a Dossier candle. I'm telling you, the only thing better than one of their awesome smelling fragrances is their awesome smelling fragrances in a candle. This is a 100% soy wax candle that's made with no stabilizers or additives. This one here is also scented in one of my personal favorites, the Aromatic Star Anise, which is based on the Salvage by Dior. And I'm telling you, it's just as good as a candle as it is in the cologne. I mean, they made this really well. The throw on this candle is really good. It's really nice for filling a room, but not being overpowering or annoying. It's also a really good size too. It's 17.5 ounces, so it should last a good long while. As I've said for quite some time now, I definitely recommend you check out this or anything else from this brand. You can find their info in the description. Once again, I love this brand. Highly recommend you check them out. Link in the description. Now though, on to today's episode. Today I'm going to share with you a very easy and effective New Year's Eve styling routine using only one brand, meaning I'll be using only products from that one brand step by step. And first off, yes, I could use my own brand. I do use my own brand most of the time, but I thought for a video here on the channel that might be a little too much self-plugin. So instead, I'll be using the Blumaan lineup, which is a line that I've been using for years now, one that I think is very reliable, and it's just an overall fantastic lineup for producing whatever styles you're trying to achieve. And what I'm going to do with this lineup is I'm going to show you step by step what I do as I create a style that I'd be happy to wear to any New Year's outing to send off this year and welcome in the next one. We're starting first, of course, with washing the hair. I mean, just like the incoming new year, you got to start with a clean slate. So I'm going to use the Blumaan Cleansing Duo. This will reset the hair, get everything out, and then reintroduce some nourishment back into my hair to set me up for the next step, which is going to be pre-styling. And there's so many routes we could go with this lineup. I mean, nourishment with no hold, some hold in texture, hold in mild shine. I mean, there's so many routes we could go. But today, I'm going to make things interesting, and I'm going to go with 3 pre-stylers. We're going to use the Cloud Control, the Ascend Cream, and then Original by Blumaan. And no, this isn't normally how I do things. I made so many videos on this in the past. So no, this is not how I'd normally do things. I mean, personally, normally I'd probably just go with the Cloud Control and Original if I was running this combo, but I can't tell you how many times I'm asked questions about using multiple pre-stylers. Like, can I use the oil and the cream together? Or can I use the Cloud Control and a pre-styler? The answer is yes. There is no rules. I mean, do whatever you want. If it doesn't produce the style you want, then at least you know what not to do next time. But really, have fun with it. There's no rules. You can use whatever you want with whatever you want. I also encourage you to find your own styling techniques to see what works for you. One technique that I have found is layering in my pre-stylers. You can see I'm layering in each one. I started with the oil and then I add in the cream on top of it. No, I don't like to cocktail them in my hand. And I'm not basing that off anything scientific. I really don't know if it messes with it. I just have this thing in my brain that says don't do that. So I just don't do that. So I got the oil, I got the cream, and then I'm topping things off with the Original by Blumaan. And then of course I'm going to blow dry it. I'm going to get some heat going. I'm going to start the styling process while I'm blow drying. You can see I'm combing to the side. I'm kind of introducing that direction, that style, where I intend to send my hair, in other words. And after the hair is completely dry, here is our result. And since you can't touch my hair, because that would be weird, I'm just going to describe it to you. It feels really soft, but still full of hold. It's got some definite hold going on there. Some stuff you can witness is the volume. You can see the volume is there, and it's set up really nicely for styling, which in this case, I'm going to go with Fifth Sample. Yes, I usually use Cavalier in this case, but I kind of want the pomade to act as a hairspray of sorts. And let me explain that. I don't usually use hairspray. I just don't prefer it, but this actually does for me about the same thing. I mean, check this out. You might think that the pomade would bring down some of the volume or just ruin the pre-style effects that we got here, but no, it really just enhances it. The volume doesn't really go down as I add the pomade in, and the hold is obviously turned up even more from the pomade's hold. So we have the pre-styling hold, then we got the pomade hold working together, and really it's just enhancing it. It's adding in hold, it's making it just more amplified. The only difference maybe being a little bit more natural shine from the pomade. Otherwise, it looks pretty much the same. Here, though, is our finished product, and I've been waiting all year to say this. This style right here has enough hold to last the rest of the year. Of course, you don't have to go with this style too. If you have a different hair type or you have different styling goals, you can apply some of these small tips and tricks to whatever style you want to accomplish. And also remember, if you do want to try anything from the blumaan lineup, you can go to their website, blumaan.com, and use my name as a discount. Just put Mike in the discount box and it will save some money on your next order. That, though, is all I got for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this quick little styling tutorial. I put quick in finger quotes that you can't see, but just imagine that they're there. I do hope that you enjoyed the video, though. I hope you enjoyed this year's content as well. I had a lot of fun making it. I'm looking forward to the next year's worth of content. If you haven't yet subscribed, please make sure to do that. That really helps keep things going. Thank you so much for doing that in advance. I hope y'all have a safe and incredible New Year's. I hope it's fantastic for all of you. And I will see y'all very soon for the new 2023 season of Modern Man TV. I can't wait to bring you guys some new stuff. It's going to be a lot of fun. With that, though, I will sign off for the last time this year. Y'all take it easy. I'll see you next time.